Hi, I'm Jill K. Davis, a 7th and 8th grade English language arts teacher at Splendora Junior High. Want to print a list of missing work from Skyward? This quick and simple tip is our topic for this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Log into your Skyward account and go into the gradebook section. You don't actually have to go into any particular class. It's just easier if you're already in the grading section. Click on the three lines up at the top left, and you'll notice that gradebook is already highlighted, and one of the options is missing assignment reports. So you click on missing assignment reports, and the report menu will come up. It does save whatever you did most previously, so that helps you out a little bit. And you want to select when do you want the missing work to start from, when do you want it to end. You need to select the sections. So I've already picked one of my classes. You just click on the little magnifying glass and select whichever class period you want. You do want to make sure that if you're going to give this to students, you want it to page break by student. And hide assignment details, no. If you hide assignment details, it will not show what assignments are actually missing. If you want to give this to parents to sign, you can show the signature line. I don't need that for my students, so I just have that hidden. Once I've got that done, but then I just run report, and it will pop up with missing assignments for each student, and they're up here at the top. You can see which page. This particular report produced 11 students, and you can scroll through those students and the assignments. If I want to print this, I come over to the right where it says more, and I click more, and then I can either click or I can export this. If I'm going to print it, I just click print, and it will open up a PDF. And now if I just need to print one or two of these pages, I can pick which page I want to print, just like any other program where you're printing from a PDF. It's that simple to print your students' missing work from Skyward. And join us back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.